Good morning. Well, good evening, I should say. Sorry about that. Just got my dog. She knocked out. Well, she ain't knocked out. She just got finished eating. Let her relax for about an hour. Then take her out and do some running. And we got the blue buffalo. Very good. This how it look when you put the water in after you stir it up. It says when you stir it up with warm water, you know, it brings out the good flavors in it. I'm going to try to focus in on it. As you can see, add warm water and mix fully, release flavors. You know, stuff like that. It's good, it's very good. So it till you dry as well. As you can see, good dog food. You know, good. Very good for the dog. You know, I'm not advertising for Blue Widows. I'm just letting people know that to me, they the Jordan brand of dog food. You know.
This is the button.
And then you see
the button that starts the
brain and eye development,
to where
you know,
like what you
healthy
see,
muscles and growth, you know, stuff like that.
See.
I'm just starting out with it. I just want to see what she like it, you know. So I got the $22 bag. I will be getting the $50 bags and stuff, you know.
30 minutes. I mean, that to me says it right there. It works.
This is the
say hi, Farrah.
That gives you that.
Say hi, Farrah. Something about purple that she likes. I gotta keep her with the purple. I don't know.
It's taken my ab workout to a whole nother level.
Even got her collar purple.
The button that
see her
needs a
skin,
firmer,
her
more toned stomach in weeks.
Beautiful, you know.
The range of intensity in the flex belt going all the way up to 150.
Very beautiful.
That's going to challenge even the most fit
person. This is the button.
Coming in, you know.
Get started today.
Okay. Get her a bath tomorrow. I'll get her a bath 2 times a week. You know. Yep, that's it. You know. Blue Weirdness. The best. Oh, one other thing. I also have. I keep it the same, you know. I got that. It's not open or nothing. It's just I had to try to put the top of this so I could see how do it work. So see, like it's still open. You know. I love that quote right there. Hi, Farrah. Say bye, Farrah.